Alright, so we're live right now, and we're live right now. Okay, welcome to another tutorial on programming Bezeli, where you learn a lot about everything about the internet. Where you can learn web development, you can get a job. Yes, we also have job opportunities for you. Where you can also um you could learn various, in fact all skill relating to the internet and computing in general. No, all skill basically. But now we're still going to be continuing with the tutorial. This will be web development course, and let's jump straight into it. Okay, so right now this audio is recording right now, and this is going to be a web dev course, right? So it's going to be a so I just write this is going to be a web dev course, right? A web dev course or tutorial basically, right? Yeah, so what is web dev? So what do you understand by web dev basically? What do you understand by web development? Um the word web development, I think we should start with the key terms. So when we say web development, what are the key terms in web development? We have web, right? And we have web and we have development, isn't it? So we have web, let me put a comma here. We have web and we have development. Now let's now take a look at what web actually is. Now what is web? Web, what is web actually? What do you understand by web? When we say web, what do you understand? So I think we have heard of something called website. I guess you already know what that is. Website, so it's like a site on the web basically. Now what exactly is web? Now web is a people don't actually talk about this much, but web itself, it's like a platform. I guess I could put it that way. It's like a platform, and a platform that exists on the internet, right? So let's write that down. So web is a platform that exists. Just is ASI exists, right? Let me let's put exists, right? So SI exists. Okay, anyway, exists, right? I think on the internet, basically on the internet. So so basically web, right? So web is a platform that exists on the internet, right? So web is like a platform that is in the internet. So when you look at the internet now, web is like something that is in the internet, like a house. So web itself is like web itself is like a house, isn't it? It's like a house, right? So a house in a plot of land, and that plot of land is called internet. So the internet is the plot of land, is a plot of land, while while the web is the land, is the house in the land, isn't it? The land. So now, of course, you have a lot of houses in this land called internet, isn't it? You have a lot of houses in this land called internet, and that's why you have in this internet, you have a lot. You have maybe gaming, you have maybe networking, cloud computing. I think cloud computing is also part of networking also. You have programming, of course. You have a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot. In fact, the possibilities are actually endless, but you can absorb it all. It's not impossible. So that's something we should know as a Bezalel. That's something you should know as a Bezalel right now. So I'm a Bezalel. So I'm just starting like a Bezalel kind of startup, But anyway, that's basically what we should know. That so internet is like a plot of land, while the web itself is like the house in that plot of land. Now, Okay, now what exactly is that house? What is it made up of? Right? How does it look like? Is it big? Is it small? Does it have a fat a fat rooftop? Does it have a slim building body or so? Does it have a slim structure? Is it deep into the ground or stuff like that? Different components, right? So we're going to take a look at like how the web actually is, right? We are starting from the how the web. So what exactly is, so we have talked about what a web is. Now how does it look like? How does this so-called web, what is the web, how does it look like? How does the web look like? Now let me tell you how the web look like. The web looks like a container. Let's put it like that, a container. So the web looks like a container, like a container. uh it's it is a mummy. Let's put it like that. It's a mummy. It's a mummy, and not a daddy. So it's a mommy and not a daddy, right? So I will put it as mommy because a mommy is like carrying the baby, right? Carrying all the elements. So web is like a container, a mommy container, right? That houses all other elements. What are the elements? Of course, the chairs. Of course, the TV. Okay, so the elements. So the elements, elements of the web, elements of the web elements of the web right now. So in the elements of the web, we can have elements, we can have structure, right? We can have a structure of the web, we can have elements of the web, we can have um elements of the web, we can have what other things we have. Let's just say components, right? Let's just say components. Now I'm trying to break it down um because like the web has a lot of structures and all that. And if you take a look at like, let's say like the exact component of the web, how the web actually came up, what actually is in the web, because you have a house and the house didn't just appear just like that. Right now the house has to undergo some kind of, somebody has to build it, right? So who built that so-called web? What actually is the web right now? So we are talking about that. How does it look like and all that? So it's a mommy, of course, not a daddy. Funny, 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 funny. Okay. um so like the component, the element, the structure, they are basically different actually. So I'm going to talk about, I'm going to say the elements as I'll put the elements as like, okay, I'll put the components as what exactly is in the web. So just like a house has chairs, right? A house has chairs, it has TVs, it has teddy bear, right? For what? For sister, for baby, for baby Laura, sure. Baby Laura, it has daddy's what? Juice. That is very sweet, right? It has a mommy's sweater, different things, right? So those are like the physical components, right, of the web. Now what are some of these components of the web? Basically, I'm not really going in total detail, right, with all these topics, because I'm just starting and I really want to like upload many videos right now, so that it will actually and so that that. So what are the actually elements of the web and all that? So we have in this word right now. So okay, so the chairs, and so this component, now what is actually the component? I mean, chairs are not part, right, of the web. I mean, teddy bear for baby Laura, juice is probably not part of the web physically, right? So what are the components of the web? So let's highlight a component of the web. So I just wanted to know that we are not studying this course right now just to study it and be looking for job later, right? So you are studying it to get a really good idea and actually become a Bezalel, right? So when you actually get that good idea and know that, we can now give you a job, right? We can now give you a job basically. So that is why you're actually undergoing this foundational course. So just keep it in mind that you're actually going to get a job and all that. Not like other tutorials that other companies that just teach you and ask you to go for job and all that. Anyway, components of the web. Let me see. Okay, the components of the web. We could have let's put HTML. Let's put CSS. Let's put JavaScript. Let's basically put the backend. Let's just say backend. So backend would include stuff like I guess React JS and maybe Angular, I guess. Let's just say yeah, Angular JS and all that. Maybe Python frameworks like Django, isn't it? Like Django and what's again Flask, isn't it? Python framework like Flask, right? Django like Flask and all that. So basically, we have those components. We also have maybe gaming. In gaming right now, okay, no, let me not put it as gaming. So we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, the backend and all that. What other things do we have in the web? Okay, things we have in the web, the components, right? I guess basically that's the like component of the web. Actually, I guess that might be the component of the web. We might add more. Like I said, we are not going into total detail today, but just for you to know. So the elements, let's put the element as elements of the web. Let's see elements as like what is actually made up of, like what the web itself is actually made up of. So just like a house is made up of cement and water, sand, gravel, clay, whatever. So the web should actually be made up of some elements, um which could include, let me see, element of the web. Okay, let's just say internet internet will definitely make up the element. Okay, no, let's just say internet is like the housing, right? The element of the web. Let me see what you have. Okay, I guess the web can't do without, yeah, the internet aspect. So let's say networking aspect. It also has to do with the internet actually, but let's just say networking aspect right now. What else? Is there anything else? um the internet, I guess. I guess is the XML markup. Let's just say markup languages, right? Let's say markup languages. Let's say markup language, right? And let's say programming in general. Programming in general, right? So the structure of the web page, how does it what's the web page actually look like? So the structure of the web page comprises of what? Comprises of the front end, right? The front end, the back end, the networking. You see, networking actually they are almost like similar, The networking, yeah, basically this is basically it right now. So like I said earlier, we're not really going in total detail today, but just to for you to like take note of it. So I hope you guys have actually learned something today, and just know that we would actually be doing like really in-depth training courses right now. I pray God helps us, and we actually span great. And we will also offer like free um job opportunities, of course, to those, and maybe the first subscribers, or the first customers, should I say customers or so, would actually get like bonuses or something like that. But let's just wait and see. Okay, so bye bye, and remain blessed. Thank you.